Hello everyone, my name is Jaswant and I welcome all of you to the group discussion tutorial. Today we shall learn about the types of group discussion topics. There are generally two types of group discussion topics: topic based and case based. Topic based GD is based on specific topics like factual, controversial and abstract, which are normally used during the recruitment process and admission process. Case-based GD tries to simulate a real-life situation with an objective to make you think about the situation from various angles. Information on the situation is given and participants are asked as a group to brainstorm on the case. There is no incorrect answer or perfect solution to any case. Now let's talk about topic-based group discussion in detail. Factual topics are about practical matters which people in general have heard about or are aware of. Typically, these topics are related to politics, economy, social, technology, environment, and legal. And these topics may have been in the news lately. With these topics, a candidate's awareness of his environment is assessed. Some examples of factual topics are the education policy of India, role of technology on jobs, GST, the game changer. Controversial topics are generally debatable in nature and are meant to generate controversy. Noise level is too high and there may be some tempers flying. The objective is to see how much maturity a candidate displays by keeping his temper in check, by rationally and logically making his points without getting emotional and personal. Some examples of controversial topics are: women make better managers, reservation system should be removed, and say no to Chinese products. Abstract topics demand creativity, imagination, and multidimensional thinking from the participants. Literal explanation of the topic may be avoided, and try relating the topic with some real-time examples. Some examples of abstract topics are A1, money is honey, the number 10. Let's get an understanding of a case-based group discussion. Generally, a problem or a situation or a case is given to the group and you have to work as a team and find out a solution to that. You may need to give a short presentation on the discussed solution and recommendation that the problem or situation requires. I hope this tutorial has given you a clear understanding of different types of GD topics. Stay alert and stay subscribed to my channel for my next video on how to perform in a case-based group discussion. Thank you.